In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to attach the multifunctional module to your gimbal on the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So this multifunctional module is attached to the clamp. Okay, so this is the clamp right here, the one that holds your phone. This is what you call the clamp. And on this side of the clamp, you can see there are pins here. And it's on these pins that you attach the multifunctional module. So you can see it has some corresponding pins. And what you want to do is align these pins to this pin section here. Okay, just like this. Now, depending on whether you want to use the selfie camera or the main camera, you can either attach the multifunctional module with the sensor facing that side, that direction, or you can just turn it upside down and mount it facing yourself. Like I said, depending on which camera you want to use. Of course, if you want to use the selfie camera, then you attach it facing yourself. And if you want to use the main camera, you attach it using in the other direction. It's very simple. You can attach it either way. So all you have to do is align, and it's going to pull magnetically. Just make sure it sits properly. And as soon as it sits properly, you will see this little red light telling you it's on standby mode and ready to go. Okay. So then now you can activate it using gestures or using the app, depending on what you want. But that is basically how to do it. Now I'm just gonna unmount it so I can show you that it goes the other direction. So for the main camera, if you want to use the back camera, you attach it like that. Again, make sure it's sitting properly. And once again, you'll get the indicator light, the red light in standby mode, telling you it's connected and ready to go. So that is basically how to attach the magnetic module, the multifunctional module on the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.